Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made my coily hairband wig. So I'm going to be using this hair. I got it from AliExpress. It's a synthetic hair. So yeah, I'm going to be using this hair to make the wig. So this is it. I got it in 6 pieces, and I got also a closure, but I've used my closure to make another hair. So I'm going to be using this hair to make it, and I'm also going to be using this wig cap. I have it at home already. I can't remember where I got it from because it has long been in my house, but I'm sure I also got it from AliExpress. So I'm going to be fixing that in the mannequin head, and I'm going to tighten it up with the tipping to secure it. So when that is done, I'm going to go ahead and start sewing the bundles in. So to begin, I'm just placing my hair on the track, and I'm going to sew it. And I'm going to be doing the flip over method because I don't like cutting my wig, or my hair rather. I don't like cutting it, so I like to flip it. And then I know this is a synthetic hair, but I'm just used to flipping the hair and not cutting it. I don't like cutting my hair. So I'm going to be doing this, and I'm going to do this until I get to the top. Then I will show you how I finish the wig. So stay tuned guys, and I want to also use this opportunity to thank every one of you for supporting me. Thanks to you all. Thank you. I have gotten to 200 subscribers. And let's get this to 300 subscribers by this year ending. Please guys, support me. If you are watching my video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video to your family and friends so they can support me, please guys. And I'm so grateful to all of you that have subscribed. If you are a returnee, thank you so much, and God bless you. almost gotten to the end of the track, so I'm going to tie a knot to secure it. And then yeah, so I decided to leave this page. This is where my band is going to be. So moving forward, I'm going to spray some water on the hair just to damp it and to make it easier for me to work with, because this is not a woman hair. So I am going to be using my finger to detangle it and not comb. It doesn't need comb at all. So I'm going to also be going in with my hair coiler gel. And I'm going to trim the hair to my desire, because some of them are longer than some. So I'm going to trim the hair to my desire. And yeah, that is it for this video today, and I'm going to show you guys how I style it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Stay blessed till next time.